Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be swatching the Pür Cosmetics Love Your Selfie 3 Sweet 16 Face Palette and Mini Mascara set. The set retails for $36. It's limited edition and it's available now at Pür's website and retailers. The packaging of the palette is all cardboard with the magnetic closure. I love the lid of the palette. It has loose metallic confetti that makes the packaging so much cuter and unique. The palette is a 12 eyeshadow palette with a highlighter and 2 blushes. It's actually a blush and a bronzer, but I honestly don't think anybody could use that color as a bronzer, so I'm calling them both blushes. And the set also includes a travel size mascara. Out of the 12 eyeshadows, 5 are matte, 5 are shimmers, and 2 are pressed glitters. Both of the blushes included in the palette are matte. As I started to try the eyeshadows, I noticed that the shimmers are extremely dry and pressed down pretty good that it makes it hard to get good pigment. I had to get a brush to scratch the pan so I could pass a couple layers to loosen up the shadow. Once I did this, I got the shimmers to swatch better and apply better on the eyes. With these shimmers, I definitely recommend applying them with a wet synthetic brush or with your finger. A dry brush won't transfer any product. For the mattes, these were pigmented and pretty velvety. They did have some kick up and fallout. The pressed glitters were my favorite in this palette. I love the 2 colors and the formula that they're pressed in. They were easy to apply both with the finger and with the flat synthetic brush. Finally, for the highlighter, I was very disappointed since they didn't have any pigment. I'm surprised it's even showing up on the video. When I tried to apply some with the brush, it was impossible to transfer any to the skin. For the 2 blushes, these are both very pretty and they blended smoothly with the brush. This palette was sent to me from Octoly and Pür Cosmetics for review purposes. If you're interested in Octoly, I'll have the link down below so you could sign up to get free products for reviews. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.